traffic is coming back to normalcy. You can see behind me, this is that Bahanagar Bazaar area where that terrific accident took place. You can see behind me. This train is like from the morning, 7 to 8 trains have applied from this region, and you can see that again train have started going from this very line where that terrific accident took place. And really for the last 72 hours the rail has worked hard. You can see now the bogies of that accident train of Coromandel Express in one side, and in the same line you can see that in the same line the train is going. In one side you can see the bogies, the broken, the derailed bogies, and behind that you can see that the railways have started, the traffic has started moving. The traffic, rail traffic is now on. People from the train, they are watching this bogies, and they're also taking photos. Everybody will never forget this terrific accident. See, people have come out and all in the doors, they're trying to take picture of this accident bogies. This is definitely the last 72 hours the rail minister himself has put in hard effort, and now from today in the morning the railway traffic is good. The railway traffic is going on. You can see that people, the passengers of this train who are going, they are crossing this terrific accident area and they are trying to take photos of this accident bogies of Coromandel Express. You can see that the train is going. The train traffic has started. This is the train traffic is coming back to normalcy. So that is one positive thing, that the train traffic is coming back to normalcy. And just in one side the bogies are there, the accident bogies are there, and the trains are there behind. And the trains have started plying, and the traffic is now normal. So the railways, they have worked 72 hours and they have started. Now the traffic is normal. Now the traffic is normal in this area. This is a big development.